Hello students, third part of the fundamental hardware devices is output device. The part of computer that process result are called output. The thing which we write in the computer, that is input, and the thing answer which we get is called output. And output is we get in many types, so we have the output devices also. First we get in printer the answer which we want about our input. We type our input and then finally we get the answer, that is output on, and we get it with, we can save it with in our file in as getting it printed. Then it impact print. In printer there are many types. One is impact printer and other is non-impact printer. Impact printer are also called character printers. Its mechanism is like a typewriters. It was earlier used, that is impact printer, which is been used in way of typewriting system. In impact printer there are many types of printer. One is dot matrix printer and one is daisy wheel printer. Dot matrix, which is less expensive but is very noisy, because it was used older time that dots were representing the words and letters, that is dot matrix. And daisy wheel printer has a disc made of plastic or metal on which it rotates, circle rotates, and we get printed our words which we type on the computer, that is daisy wheel printer. Now it's non-impact printer. Non-impact printer are also known as line printer. This printer forms characters and images on the paper without direct physical contact between the printer head and the paper. It is used almost anywhere now. Some of the non-impact printers are inkjet printers, laser printer. Inkjet printers and laser printers are two types of non-impact printers. Non-impact printers are the newly generation printers. In inkjet printers forms letters and images on the paper by spraying electrically charged droplets of ink from nozzles through holes. The spread of this printer is measured in IPM lines, LPM lines per minute, and PPM pages per minute. The printer is capable of producing high quality print. I said it's new generation printer, so its quality is very high, and this is the printers which forms on the line per minute and pages per minute chargeable. Laser printers are printers which are being used on laser technology to print images or the papers. A laser printer works like a photocopy machine. It is a machine. The images are created on a drum treated with a magnetically charged ink and then transformed from the drum to the paper. This gives the best quality output, are the most expensive, as it is new generation printer and now generation is very expensive, so it is very expensive printer. Plotter. First we had learned about printer, now it is plotter. Plotter are the output of a paper. It is generally used to generate larger printer. We get some on our roads we get more big statues and big that portraits, what we say, paper printers of ads and advertisements are done on plotters. Plotters are of many types. First is Trump plotter, second is flatbed plotter, and inkjet plotter. Drum plotter are the plotters which are used. The plotter consists of a long drum on which a paper is placed, and the drum rotates back and forth to produce the graph on the paper. It was the first output device used to print graphic and images engineering drawing. These plotters are used for engineering drawings, architect drawings. Flat plotters are the plotters plot on a paper that is spread and mixed over a rectangular flatbed table. This paper remains stationary on a flat surface while a pen moves across it horizontally and vertically. It is used with buildings, highways, projects, and all this. These are big form of using printing systems. Inkjet plotters, this plotter create a image pairing. Same in inkjet printer also sprays for writing our words, and inkjet plotter also sprays for writing for drawing images and everything. Projector, last but not the least, is the projector. Projector is the form of output device which helps us to show videos and images on the computer screen or on TV. Projector is used on big basis, like seeing movies our family or big crowd can see at a time. Then projector is used. These are output devices.